If your heart is heavy because of the pain that you see in the world, this is for you. Have you seen how we harm ourselves, harm our own bodies? Have you seen how we harm each other through words and wars and closed hearts? And have you seen what we do to our own mother, our natural home, this beautiful place? All this harm in the world, passing through human beings, do you begin to lose hope about humanity? What if this harm, this pain in the world, is simply an energy passing from parent to child, neighbor to neighbor, tribe to tribe, nation to nation, and from human to earth? And what if this has been going on for thousands of years, for the entire human story? Well, what if we can transform this pain into something beautiful? And what if that happens every time we choose kindness over cruelty, understanding over judgment, repair over revenge? There's lots of words for this. Transformative justice, healing, regeneration. But what if it's just love? True love. Strong, demanding love. And what if that is our most important job here? To heal this world, to heal ourselves, to heal each other. When you feel lonely in this work, take heart, because we have each other. And when you feel tired, when you're losing hope, remember where your power comes from. Not from pain, that small thing, from something much vaster, from love.